Hi friends, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a giveaway for you guys and I wanted to explain why I'm doing the giveaway. First up, this is the Creating for Less card kit for June. Actually, I think it's for July. Yeah, no, it's for June. It was actually revealed on June 29th and I was actually sent this kit to create some more cards with. I had actually done a video for last month's kit and it was such a fun creative way to get some cards made that I was actually asked to create if I wanted to create more cards with the newest kit, and of course I said yes. At that time I was dealing with my cat Katie's illness and just the way they developed really quickly. I was unable to create with the kit. Obviously, y'all know about my cat's passing, and I was just not in a frame of mind, or just actually not in the mood, to be quite honest, to create cards at that time. So, and I explained that to Teresa, who is the owner of Scrapping for Less. She's been very, very kind to me, and I actually offered to send back the kit. She told me to keep it, which was very kind of her to do. Well, since then the kit has been revealed and has been sold out. So I didn't want to even do an unboxing or anything because obviously the kit is unavailable now. Well, with that in mind and all of that that went down, I decided since it is sold out, it would be a fun way to go ahead and give back, since Teresa was so kind to send the kit to me and you're unable to get it if y'all are one of the ones that wanted the kit. I thought I would give back and pay it forward and give the kit to one of you that are interested in the kit. So this is the entire kit. This is with the extras to it, which is normally if you get just the normal kit, it would have the 4-pack. This actually comes with all 5 packs and the cardstock. So if you're interested in seeing an unboxing or anything, or see what's in the contents, I will kindly quickly go through those here, but I wanted to show you that you get all of these colors of cardstock. I believe these are all colors of MFT cardstock, which is very great quality cardstock. You get 2 pieces of white, you get a blue, a pink, orange, a red, or kind of like a light green, and a navy color. So you will get all of the cardstock as well as these little packs here. You get, in each pack you get pattern papers, you get stamp set, you get sequins, and sometimes you have other elements. So this stamp set, I'll quickly go through these. I don't want to spend too much time because, like I said, the kit is sold out. You can no longer get it, but I wanted to go ahead and quickly show you what's in here. You got some little anchors here. These are like little, I think they're little, like, well no, they're little wood pieces. So you get 3 little wood pieces of anchors. You get a little pack of sequins. This one comes with the stamp set from Echo Park, which is really, really fun. You get some die cut pieces. Obviously it always comes with an envelope, and you get some really fun pattern papers. That would be really a fun quick card there with that scene already. Really fun papers. So that is the first one, or one of the ones. It's not the first one. I'll do this one here. This is the one that has the LDRS Creative stamp set. Of course you get, as always, some sequins. Really cute stamp set. I was looking at this, and you've got little faces down here, and you can stamp the little faces and the little crab here and the turtle, which is fun. You get a die cut Adirondack chair from January Designs. Again, another envelope and some of these fun pattern papers. So you get all those. These are just one-sided. So that is another kit. Get some little, in this one you get some little gel pieces. I think these are like little stickers, accent pieces. 2 dolphins. You get some fun stickers here. These are from Doodlebug. Again, more sequins. Exclusive set from Sunny Studio Stamps. And some pattern papers from Doodlebug. Of course, Doodlebug is known for their bright, fun colors. So that's really fun. So that's that one. Next up is this one here from, you get a stamp set from Avery-Elle. This is what they're calling the Summer Splash Collection. Get some die cut pieces. Again, more sequins. Get some enamel dots. This really cute Avery-Elle stamp set. And then some pattern papers. Really fun summer. I like that one there with the wood grain panels. Oh gosh, if you hear some noises, that's my little kitten. She's trying to get in here with me. But she would be all over the video if I didn't keep her out. So anyway, so there's more pattern papers. It's been fun having a kitten. It's been quite a while too. All right, so that is the next collection. And then finally, this is the little add-on. And you get this stamp set from Scrapping for Less. Really fun, great summer sentiments in there. Some flip-flops. Really great theme there. Get a die set from Lawn Fawn. This is the Ocean Wave Accents. I have this one. I love this little die set. Again, some more die cut pieces. And then you get a little ink cube here. This is from LDRS. This, I think every kit came with a different color. So this is a really bright color. This is the hybrid ink pad. So really great there. So that was a quick run through of what all you get in the kit. Like I said, obviously I just have the one kit, so there'll be one winner. And so all you need to do in order to be entered in to win is just leave me a comment on this video, letting me know if you're how you're doing this summer, what your plans are. And obviously, you know, you can leave a comment if you want, but be sure to really comment if you're really interested in the kit. So that was my video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will be back with another video very soon.